In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an image a button in Carrd. Carrd is a versatile and user-friendly platform designed for creating simple, responsive websites, and the ability to turn any image into an interactive button is just one of the ways it enhances your site's interactivity and aesthetics. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Carrd website. Once there, you'll want to access your Carrd project. If you're creating a new site, begin by working from a template or starting from scratch. Next, look for the plus icon located on the Carrd interface. This button allows you to add new elements to your site. Here, you'll select the image element, which is fundamental for turning an image into a button. Once you've added the image element to your project, it's time to choose an image. You can either upload an image directly from your computer or select one from your existing library, which may contain images you've previously uploaded to Carrd. Consider using a high-quality image that aligns with your site's design and the message you wish to convey. With the image added, the next step is crucial. Click on the image element to reveal its Properties panel. This panel is where you can customize various aspects of your image element. Here, locate the Link URL field. This is where you'll input the URL to which you want this image to link when users click on it. The URL can direct visitors to an external website, take them to another section of your Carrd site, or even open a file. The flexibility of the destination allows you to create a seamless user experience, guiding visitors to where they need to go with just one click. Additionally, to enhance the interactivity and appeal of your image button, explore the options under the Appearance and Animation tabs. The Appearance tab offers settings to modify the image hover colors, adding a dynamic effect when users move their mouse over the image. Meanwhile, the Animation tab provides options to animate the image when it comes into view or when hovered over, further mimicking the behavior of a traditional button and drawing the user's attention to it. Finally, when you're satisfied with the setup, it's time to publish your Carrd site. Publishing your site makes the changes live, and now you can test the image button functionality directly on your website. Click on the image to ensure it acts as a button and successfully directs visitors to the intended destination. And there you have it. You've successfully turned an image into a button on your Carrd site. This simple yet effective feature can significantly elevate your site's interactivity and user engagement. Remember, experimenting with different images, URLs, and animations can lead to the best results, so don't hesitate to try various combinations to see what works best for your site's design and goals.